Some say that you are too old, too late, that the future belongs to somebody else. But what if they are wrong? What if the future belongs to those who stayed curious, the ones who never stopped learning? You are not behind. You are ready to save time, ready to protect your family, ready to thrive in a world that changes fast. This is not about technology. It is about confidence. It is about control. It is about freedom. Catch the Wave is your community. Adults 40 years and older from every walk of life, learning together, supporting each other, proving that age is not a barrier. It is an advantage. This is The Wave. Join us, because when you stay curious, you change everything.